All right, we're back under the Bronco for another video. This is the front differential service. As you can see here, this is your drain bolt. It sits lowest on the differential. And if you come to the other side, that is your fill up there. And you can see it's got some thread sealant on it. We'll be reapplying that on both when we complete the service. So 3/8 like you see in every other video, and ones, if you've watched mine, you want to crack your fill plug first before you crack open your drain plug. Yep. I like that. It was very easy to get to. Start it out by hand. Oh, I got it. All right. The drain pan in position. Let's move over to the other side. Nice and easy. Very good. Here's our drain. Nice. Looks pretty clean. See what we get. I know this isn't a clean rag, but yeah, that looks good. There's no big chunks of metal, you know what I mean? And I say big, any visible, anything like this, that's almost like a metallic-y shavings. That's okay. That's your braking period. That's your gears just breaking in. So everything looks good. Going to be using, probably won't need the transfer pump, but I'm going to be using 75/90 instead of 80/90 on both the front and back. Just a little bit thinner oven oil. Got some Permatex high temp thread sealant. Gonna apply that to my clean drain bolt. So you're not supposed to touch that thread sealant with your hand. Applied it with a rag. So I'm just installing these snug like they were when I took them off. All right, here is quart number 1. Oh. I think that's it. She seems to be dripping pretty good. It took a little less than a quart, and use thread sealant, clean your threads off, and then use some new thread pipe sealant, high temp stuff, and snug it back up by hand. That's it for the front. Next up on the next video, we're gonna do the transfer case. All right, thanks for watching.